When we're finding the volume of a pyramid, we need to know a couple of things. We need to know what is the shape of the base of the pyramid, and we need to know the height of the pyramid. So for example, if we have a square pyramid, let me draw this out here. My base is a square. So I'm going to put a dot there and draw all the corners up to the dot. That last line is always wiggly. So anyway, we've got a square pyramid, and this right here is the base, this square, okay? And you need to know what is the formula for area of a square, and it is just side squared. And let's go ahead and set our sides equal to 3 meters, and then our height, remember, is the center of the base up to the point. Now, sometimes they're going to give you that slant height as well. So, and it's usually denoted by, well, the way I've seen it, it's denoted by an S or an L. So make sure you're picking the correct height, because a lot of times they'll put both of those on there. So there's your height. And let's call the height is equal to 5 meters. Okay, so with that information, we can solve this problem. And this is one case where I don't mind this notation, because there's lots of different kinds of pyramids. You can have square, triangular, rectangular, and all kinds of shapes of bases. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to change this now to, because I know it's a square, I'm just going to replace this with s squared instead of b, and then times h. And now I can solve. 1/3, the side length is 3, so I can put 3 squared. The height is 5. And 1/3, 3 squared is 9 times 5. And then 9 times 5 is 45 times 1/3. And you can also say this is equal to 45 over 3. It's the same thing. It's however you see it. And I can see that 3 goes into 45 15 times. Okay, so the answer is 15 meters cubed. And it's cubed because we're talking about the volume of a pyramid. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if you want me to do more of these with different shapes for the base. All right, I will see you in the next one.